Everyone thinks the best-selling cordless wet-dry vacuum is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Tyneco IFLOOR5 Breeze. First up is the Tyneco IFLOOR5 Breeze Complete Wet-Dry Vacuum. Priced around $199, this one caught my eye with its sleek white design and the promise of one-step cleaning. If you want a hassle-free way to tackle both wet and dry messes, this is worth a serious look. It's great for all sealed hard floors, whether it's hardwood, tile, or laminate. With a battery life of up to 35 minutes and a 0.8-liter capacity, you can clean larger areas without needing constant refills. Plus, the hands-free self-cleaning function is a game changer. You just hit a button and it cleans itself, keeping the brush fresh for your next cleaning session. Now I'll be real with you, some users mention that it can struggle with very thick carpets. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily dealing with hard floors, this shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. It really shines in those scenarios. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, efficient cleaning solution without the mess. Skip this one if you need a vacuum specifically for thick carpets. For the price, it definitely offers solid value. Now, if the IFLOOR5's design didn't quite resonate with you, the next one might be even more up your alley. Product number 2, Tyneco Floor 1 S5. Next up is the Tyneco Floor 1 S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. At $279, this model takes a more tech-savvy approach with its digital display. If you're dealing with sticky messes or pet hair, this one's worth a serious look. What's interesting about the S5 is its iLoop smart sensor technology that automatically adjusts suction and water flow based on the mess. This means no more guesswork, it does the thinking for you. The cleaning path width of 9.2 inches means you can cover more ground quickly, and like the IFLOOR5, it keeps clean and dirty water separate, which is just smart. However, some users pointed out that the battery life is similar to the IFLOOR5 at just 35 minutes. While this is decent if you have a large home, you might find yourself recharging more often than you'd like. But honestly, if you appreciate a high-tech cleaning experience, this may not bother you. This is great for you if you enjoy smart technology in your cleaning tools. Skip this if you prefer something more basic or if you have a bigger house needing longer run times. Given the features, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, DEWALT20V Max Cordless Shop Vac. Now we have the DEWALT20V Max Cordless Shop Vac. Priced at just $129, this vacuum is known for its powerful suction and portability. If you're looking for something that can handle tough cleanups, this is definitely worth a serious look. This model boasts a 2-gallon capacity and a HEPA filter that traps 99.97% of particles. This means whether you're cleaning up construction debris or just everyday messes, you can trust it to get the job done. Plus, at a lightweight design, it's easy to transport wherever you need it. With a battery life of about 25 minutes, you can clean up without worrying about being tethered to a wall. However, some users mention that the battery isn't included and needs to be purchased separately. This could be a hassle for some people, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one package. But honestly, if you're already invested in DEWALT tools, it might fit right into your existing setup. This is perfect for you if you need a rugged and portable vacuum for various jobs. Skip this if you want a model with a longer battery life right out of the box. It's a solid deal for its price point. Now, if you're looking for something with more options, let's check out our next model. Product number 4, Craftsman V20 Cordless Vacuum. Up next is the Craftsman V20 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, another strong contender at just $89. It's a shop vac that doesn't skimp on performance. If you're after something budget-friendly yet effective, this is worth considering. This 2-gallon vacuum provides 35 CFMs of suction power, making it quite effective for cleanup jobs. Plus, the 7-foot hose allows for decent reach, so you're not limited during your cleaning sessions. That said, some users have complained about the lack of a battery included in this bare tool option. While that can be frustrating, think of it this way: You're paying for the vacuum only, allowing you to choose your battery based on your specific needs. This is perfect for you if you want a solid vacuum without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need a complete kit with a battery included. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, now if you're looking for something that balances power with versatility, let's check out the final option on our list. Product number 5, DEWALT20V Max Shop Vacuum. Finally, we have the DEWALT20V Max Shop Vacuum priced at $174. This one combines both corded and cordless operation, which is pretty neat. If you want flexibility in how you clean, this is definitely worth a look. With the same 2-gallon capacity as the previous models, it offers a HEPA filter and a large flexible hose for easy maneuverability. The ability to switch between corded and cordless power is a significant advantage, especially for larger jobs or when you're in areas without outlets. It also comes with a crevice tool and wide nozzle for tackling different messes. However, some users noted that it could feel a bit heavy when fully loaded. If you're looking for something ultra-lightweight, this might not be the best fit. But honestly, for its versatility and power, it's a small compromise to make. This is ideal for you if you need the convenience of both power options. Skip this if weight is a major concern for you. Considering what it offers, it's a great value for both home and job site use. To wrap things up, we covered some great options today. The Tyneco IFLOOR5 Breeze for easy cleaning, the Tyneco Floor 1 S5 for its smart features, the DEWALT20V Max for portability, the Craftsman V20 for budget-friendly performance, and finally the versatile DEWALT20V Max with dual power options. No matter what your specific needs are, there's definitely a cordless wet-dry vacuum cleaner here for you.